Hey, how's it going, you guys? It is Laughin' coming to you from the Newbie Drone studio with a pretty cool announcement. So as you might know, the 2019 season is just starting up now, mostly for, 5-inch stuff and the other stuff that I fly, and I've just noticed that my Instagram has just hit 500 followers. So I'm going to be giving away a fully assembled Beebrain Lite from Newbie Drone. In case you're wondering, this is not the Newbie Drone giveaway that's going on right now. That is actually a separate one. So there are 2 opportunities right now to win an Acro Bee. But you guys don't want to hear me talk anymore. You just want to know what to do. So basically there's 4 easy steps. The first one is super easy. All you got to do is like this video. You're already here, so you might as well go ahead and do it. Second of all, what you're going to want to do is jump over to my Instagram, which is instagram.com/laughinfpv. Make sure to leave a follow. Step 3 is super easy. You're just going to come back to YouTube. You're going to subscribe to the channel, and then step 4, you're going to comment your Instagram username and let me know that you followed. When my Instagram account hits 1,000 followers, we're going to be going back over to Instagram to announce the winner. So in case you guys are wondering, this giveaway is not being provided by Newbie Drone. It's all just for me. But I do definitely want to say thanks to Newbie Drone, especially for letting me use the studio. And then also thanks to all these guys for all their help and support over the 2018 season. And I'm definitely looking forward to working with you guys again. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thanks for all your support over the 2018 season. I look forward to a successful 2019, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments. See ya!